Tracy Plauk, and I'm the director of the Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services. We at our department have been partnering with many other state agencies since January when Start Talking was launched. And I want to say we're extremely delighted to be able to launch this corporate partnership as well. In addition to all of the Ohioans who will receive the messaging either in print when they visit Kroger or over the in-store airwaves, to go to the website to learn more about how to interact with our children in Ohio and really have candid discussions about the importance of learning about the dangers of drugs. We also have an opportunity through this partnership with Kroger to share the messaging through the more than 37,000 employees that are with Kroger in the state of Ohio. And I think that the vast majority of these folks have families, and they might have children, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, and having the opportunity to link directly with that many people, the messaging is going to be extremely helpful as well. And so just to tell you a little bit about Start Talking, there are actually 4 components of this program. 2 of them are focused on building self-confidence and resiliency among young people themselves, and then 2 of the components are focused on the adults who interact with young people. We've got $1.5 million in grants that we've awarded through the Office of the First Lady and the Governor's Office of Faith-Based Initiatives to introduce prevention programming in lower income areas of our state. We've also got 5 Minutes for Life, which is led by the Ohio Department of Public Safety, local sheriff's offices, and other local law enforcement, and the Ohio National Guard, in concert with the Ohio Athletic Association, High School Athletic Association. And in this, uniformed officers go and speak with high school athletes, either before or after a practice, to talk about how they are leaders in their communities and within their school districts. By the choices they're making, they're influencing others, and how others decide that they're going to make decisions impacting their own lives. And so those are the 2 that are focused on young people. And we also have 2 strategies that are focused on adults. The first one is called KNOW, K-N-O-W, and that is in partnership with the Drug-Free Action Alliance, and you'll hear from Marcy in just a moment. That provides twice a month email messaging to parents and other adults about how to start a conversation related to drugs, and also basic facts about drugs so that you can really have an informed conversation with the middle school student in your life. And then the final program related to Start Talking is called Parents 360 RX. And this is an 11-minute video that we're encouraging different community organizations to show that really emphasizes the fact that drugs are everywhere in Ohio. Very unfortunate, but it is the truth. And the more that we can talk about how to secure medications within the home, within the community, and how to look for signs that young people may be using, that is, those are all steps that are adding value to the ability of our young people to grow up and be productive members of our society. So I look forward to working with Kroger on this, and we're doing everything that we can to provide outreach throughout Ohio. I want to recognize Dr. Phil Atkins, who is our Start Talking coordinator, and if you're interested in thinking about how we might be able to engage your church organization, your particular community, we are on hand and ready to help. So thank you.